Give it to Grandpa.
Want me to hold it for you?
You like it?
Here's the trash.
That's mine. Yeah.
That's for you. Yeah, that's from Granny and Gramps. Will you tell them? Where's Gramps? Where'd Gramps go? Say thank you, Gramps.
Thank you, Grandpa. That's paper.
Just throw him down, Larry. I'll grab him.
Oh, boy.
Do big one.
It'll take a while tomorrow.
Oh, he's doing your deep one.
What is it?
Hi, get.
Diego, will you help her tear the front?
Oh, no. Get.
That's okay.
Oh, what? I want that paper.
Could take a couple hours. Start at 5, it'll be done in a minute.
What is it? Oh, she got a big huge.
Oh, wowee. You like it? What do you tell Granny and Gramps?
What?
See, these go in there, I bet. I bet
Yeah.
they fit in there.
Do you want to take that home and play with it?
I want to play it.
Okay.
Play with it here.
Tell Granny and Gramps thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And Gramps too. Throw Gramps a kiss. Throw Gramps a kiss.
Thank you.
Okay.